Alright guys, I found out a major flaw with the Glock 23 4th gen. The major flaw is, of course it's empty, but the major flaw is it runs out of ammo quick. That's the major flaw. It runs out of ammo way too quick. Here is the fix for it. 50 round drone. 40 cal. It is patented. You can get one of these for anywhere between $44 and $100. The $44 one works just fine. Not bad, not bad at all. It's too much weight for you. Then you can get this 31 round mag. I mean, look at that. That is another beast. It's like as long as my foot. It's just crazy. That is crazy. Pretty sweet. Ain't gonna run out of ammo too soon now.